Hey, welcome to Cooking with Ranger Rob. Grab your aprons and let's get started, guys. Before we get started, please take the time to subscribe, then click on the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.
Hi guys, this is Rob, and guess what? It's Traeger Day. I'm going to make this a short and sweet video so it doesn't go long. And so what I'm making today is chicken wings. And so the first thing I did was go to Costco, and you can get the little chicken wings pre-cut in packs of 12, and it's a wonderful way to do dinner really quick. You can grab 2 of those right out of the freezer, thaw them out in water in your sink, and they're pretty much ready to start cooking in about an hour. So what I normally do is, I'm not going to show you, but I can explain it, is I take the chicken and I put it in a bowl like this. And then what I do is I use just table salt. Try not to over salt it, but make sure they're salted. I add a little bit of garlic powder, a little smoked paprika, and a little bit of lemon pepper. And I just stir them all up in there and get them all that. So what I like to do is I like to then put them in the Traeger and smoke them for about half an hour. So that's where I'm at right now. They're at the smoking stage. So if I open this up real quick, you can see there that they're just in there smoking. I want to get a little smoky flavor. Now I'm going to turn it up, and I'm going to cook the wings to about 80-85% done. I like to take my wings up to about 190 degrees when they're done. But I'm going to take them up to like 165 and pull them. You go, well, they're not done yet. No, they're not. So then I'll take them, and I'll show that process. I'm going to put them back in this bowl, and I use melted butter and a rub, and I'll show you what rub it is in a minute. Can't remember the names. I got to show it to you. Anyway, and so I coat them with the rub, and the rub is also combined with melted butter. I know that sounds good. It is. I've done this like 3 times and consistently it came out the same. And so then I'll put them back in the Traeger at about 300 degrees and cook them up to 190 degrees. And I like to get them well cooked so they're a little bit almost crispy. Anyway, super good. So here we go, and bear with me. I'll try to make this a fast video. Hey guys, so these have been cooking at 300 degrees, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm not going to rotate them because I don't want to cook them all the way anyway. I'm going to get my thermometer, and we're going to check the temperature. I measured a couple of these. They're definitely around 165, so I'm going to pull them out and do the next process. So we're in the kitchen now. My Traeger is still running at 300 degrees. This only takes a minute. What I'm going to do is take my melted butter and slowly pour it on the chicken. And the rub that I add to it is this Stubbs Chicken spice rub. We tend to like it. It has good flavor. So I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of that, maybe a little bit of garlic powder. That's it. I'm not going to put it on too heavy. I have been known in the past to put too much on. So we already have a little bit of seasoning on it now. They're probably good the way they are. But this will be a nice coating on them, and then we're going to cook them up to 195 degrees and get them nice and cooked and crispy and yummy, and it'll be ready to go. Okay, one last thing, guys. When I take this chicken out of the bowl, there's going to be a lot of seasoning, butter, and leftovers at the bottom of the bowl. So what I do now is, while I'm doing this final cook, I will be turning my chicken and basting them with the seasoning that I put on them in this bowl. So you'll see that in a moment. I'll do that outside, and here we go. Alright, so we got the chicken all loaded, getting ready to put the lid down. But you can see in my bowl I still have a lot of buttery goodness in there with a lot of my seasoning. So I'm going to cook these for another 5 minutes or so. Come in and I'm going to turn them and keep basting them as long as I still have some juice to put on them. So we're almost done, guys. So these guys have been cooking for a while. And what we're going to do is turn them. And after I turn them, I'm going to baste them again. See, I turned them one more time right side up and basted them one more time with that buttery goodness, and they are reaching around 190 right now, so they'll only be in here for another 5 minutes at the most, and then we're going to pull them out and let them cool and sit and rest a little bit, and they're ready to eat. Alright guys, our chicken's done. I'm ready to pull it out. What I didn't tell you is I'm cooking with cherry wood pellets, so I'm pretty happy with all different flavors, but cherry's been kind of fun to work with. So anyway, I'm going to pull these. I'm going to let them rest for about 10 minutes or so, and I'll show you a picture of them here in a minute. And the chicken goodness is here. I want to thank you very much for watching, and enjoy.
So here's our chicken wing goodness. So I like to let these sit for about 10-15 minutes, and they're ready to eat. So they also taste really good cold the next day. So anyway, enjoy guys, and thanks for watching. Thank you for watching our video. Please take the time to like, subscribe, and share our videos all over. Then go down to the description and think about becoming a member of our Patreon. This will allow you to get special content just for you and help us build future content. Thank you.